Tenax offers many DIY garden products, and one of our most popular is Tenax Hortonova Trellis Netting. Tenax Hortonova has a strength of 78 pounds per foot and is the most effective and economical way to support climbing vegetables, heavy crops, and flowers. Tenax Hortonova is available in LM, large mesh, at approximately 6-inch by 6.7-inch, and SM, which is our small mesh, at approximately 6-inch by 6-inch. Both Tenax Hortonova large mesh and small mesh come in a variety of dimensions, including widths ranging from 36-inch, 48-inch, and even up to 167 inches, and the lengths ranging from 15 feet all the way up to 3,280 feet. Tenax Hortonova Trellis Netting is a perfect trellis for gardens, container gardens, flower beds, and hydroponic systems. Its white color makes it easy to differentiate it from crops being harvested, safe and easy to install. Tenax Hortonova Trellis Net provides better air and light circulation, promoting less use of pesticides, resulting in higher crop yields. Tenax Hortonova Trellis Net is easy to install. For vertical installation, first set your support posts 5 feet apart. Secure your Tenax Hortonova to each post with nylon string and pulling tight at each post. Use sod staples every 6-inch to provide more stability. You can also stretch a cable along the top on one post to another and then attach Hortonova to cable with nylon string to provide more stability. For horizontal installation, use these steps. First, set posts at corners of planting area. Then secure the Tenax Hortonova approximately 6 inches from the ground on each post with self-locking ties or tie wire so plant can grow through the mesh. Duplicate steps 2 to desired height.